He heard the nightlife off life, put out the emo, fed in the stable, see my knee, the whole city got three, heard he got three, that other nigga got a hit and shouted, he not out. Who said the city on fire, soon as he got three, the king back now, hold on, he know how to act now, hit the club, strippers getting naked, boy, I sat down, still ballin', money stacked all the shack now, still push a button and let the roof on the back down, I'm on the road doing shows, put my Mac down, Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to Chat Town, I got the crowd yelling, I'm out there. If they hit you in the face, you gon' be suing the shit. And if I catch another case, I know it's true to be missed. So I'ma keep cool head, stay out of the news headlines, and show these other rappers bedtime. It's good to see that I'm ahead of my time. I got to throw down hard, talking real shit. Keep up.